How to log into your Keka account. If you're looking to log into your Keka account, you're in the right place. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, I'm going to show you how to sign into your Keka account in just a few easy steps. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your web browser and head to the Keka website. Just type in Keka on your search bar or go directly to www.keka.com. Once you're on the Keka homepage, look for the login button. You'll usually find it in the top right corner of the page. Let's tap on that three horizontal bars and simply tap on login. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your credentials. This includes your email address and password you created when signing up. Make sure you're entering the correct details. If you've forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgot password also. You can also log into your Keka account with your Microsoft account, Google account, or with your username as well. And that's it. That's how you simply log into your Keka account.